Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down config map. It's an important idea in DevOps. So, what is config map? Config maps store non-secret configuration data that Kubernetes pods can consume. It's one of the core ideas in DevOps. Here are the key things to know about config map. First, as environment variables, command line args, or files. Also, immutable config maps in newer versions. Another key point, updates require pod restart unless mounted as volume. On top of that, often used with hem values. Finally, separation of config from code container. And that's config map in simple terms. Come back for another DevOps concept tomorrow.